Hello doTERRA friends. Have you been wondering about which doTERRA diffuser you should get? So here's my review on 4 of the different doTERRA diffusers and why I have all 4 of them. One, I like how each one performs and its looks, but here's a few of the fun features. So I'm going to start down here with the Lutz diffuser. This has a glass top. It's 3-piece. It has a 1, 2, 4 hour on, and then it has different light feed options. So you can pick which one suits your needs, and you can kind of see the mist outpour. Then we have the Rome diffuser. This has a stone top. It's just 2 pieces. What I like about this one is it has a detachable base, so you charge it and you can set it wherever you want. As you can see, the outpouring of the mist is not terribly heavy, so you're still going to get the fragrance, but not a lot of moisture. And then you do have a light feature here on the base. And then, of course, you have it on. Then we have the pedal, which the pedal is 2-piece. It has a 2, 6, 12 hour. The light goes on or off, and you can see the amount of mist that this one puts out. My favorite for the fall and winter months is the doTERRA humidifier diffuser. It holds a lot of water, like a half a gallon, I believe. You have different settings here. So this is high, off, low, medium. So it puts an amazing amount of moisture into the air. It is 2-piece, like this pulls off and sets back down. And then you even have a night feature. So it just puts out a low amount of mist. So honestly, this one is my favorite. This is number 2. This one I like because you can remove it and move it. And then this is just a nice small compact one. It is glass. It just looks really nice, has lots of color options. So there's my review. Now you just got to get yourself a diffuser and some essential oils, and I hope that you'll choose me and use my link below to pick up some essential oils. And if you need help picking out some favorites, just message me. I'm happy to help guide you to some blends or single oils that would best suit you and your family's needs.